So I'm fixing lunch. I just got back from the gym and I'm fixing lunch, and I have a protein shake, and then this is my chicken. So what my plan is, I'm trying to just eat like one time a day. I'm trying to just eat one time a day, and then that is it. And then the rest of the day, drink water. Well, the reason why I called you guys, not just to tell you about what I'm eating today, is because I have been thinking and thinking and thinking. I've never gave this channel a name. So I finally gave this channel a name. I'm gonna give this channel a name because I think I was so focused on trying to give this channel a niche. Like if you look at all those YouTube advice, everyone tells you that, okay, pick one thing, whether it's cooking, cleaning, fitness, productivity, just pick one thing and then stay in that lane. But here's the thing. Who can actually stay in one lane? Like, especially when you get older, there's so many things outside of like cooking, cleaning, and all that stuff. So it took me so long to decide, like, what do I want to niche down on? I kept asking myself, who am I? What is this channel about? Who am I? Who am I? It was like a whole, like, come to Jesus moment, like reality. Who am I? And then I realized maybe I don't. And one day I just realized maybe I don't have to pick a niche. Because we're so much more than just one thing. Studying, some days I'm working, some days we are a mom and we're doing the mom thing. Some days I'm doing the family thing, and I want to show that all to you guys, not just the one small part of my life. And I feel like all those moments are who make me, being a mom, the studying, the working 2 jobs, the try to meal plan. I have not got that together, but I need to. I really want to try meal planning. So that probably will be my next series. So I felt like this was more like a diary. Like I'm telling you my story as I go. Like I'm writing down my story. Because I'm telling you guys some personal stuff. You know, I haven't met you guys face to face, but I feel like you guys are my besties. We're cool like that. So I've been telling you guys some deep personal shit. This is the place where I can like document my life, my season, what I'm going through right now. The wins, the setbacks, the self-doubt, the lows, the highs, the hopeful moments. The goal is to become a teacher so that one day when I walk in the classroom, we will walk in the classroom together. So y'all, I'm making this video to get your opinion. This channel has changed so much over the past few months. Trying to figure out as a creator who I am. I know teaching is a huge part of my life, but it's not my whole life. So this channel will always be about my journey to becoming a teacher because that is where I'm at in my life. Going to the classrooms, passing my practice, everything I'm learning, I want to share that with y'all. But then there's the life of sin. That's where I'm rebuilding my health in my 40s. I'm doing real workouts, realistic goals I want to put down, trying new workouts, just trying to be the healthier version of myself. And I also like meal planning. Doing simple meals, getting organized for the week, a reset for the week. So big question to you. I'm so curious. If you were to still follow my journey, which one would you watch the most? Which one would you be more interested in? Teaching journeys, fitness, meal planning, or would you like to see a little bit of everything? Drop in the comments. Let me know what you guys want to see from me. And also drop in the comments, what do you think this name of the channel should be? So I have 3 names that I wanted to. Let me see, looking at my notes. So it's the Teacher's Diary, Life of Sin, Rebuilding My Fitness Goals, and Life of Sin Fitness. So which one will resonate with you? But anyways, beautiful people, that's all. I just wanted to drop in to say that, and I also wanted to drop in just to say that I miss you guys.
Made it this far. What are you waiting for? Please subscribe, and I'll see you in my next one.